Let's learn how to recover your TikTok streak. Have you lost a streak with your friend? Maybe that is your fault or your friend's fault, and now when you send again any TikTok, your streak starts from 0, so because of that I will show you 2 different methods to continue with streak you lost. First method to get back your TikTok streak is that to change a time zone on your phone. And on that way you turn the day back a few hours and send TikTok to continue with streak. To do that first we need to open any web browser you have on your phone. I'm going on Google Chrome. And when you open it on search bar, go to type World Time Zone Map and search for it. Now go on this first website and you can see a map of world time zone. After that you need to find your country. And where is your time zone? Because my time zone is on +2 of coordinated universal time, so in my case I must to go on negative and go to search for country which is in negative time zone. As you can see I found Canada and remember that country. The next step is to change time zone on your phone, so because of that, go on Settings app on your phone. Then on Settings app you can see General option and go on it. That will send you on General menu on which you need to scroll a little down until you see Data and Time option, and when you see Open it. Once you come on this menu you can see your region which is set automatically, but to remove it first, you need to disable option set automatically, and when you do that, you can see that you can click on region to change it. Now enter a country you find before, in my case that is Canada, and you can set a city you want that it doesn't matter. Also you can set a costume time if you want, but I don't recommend you to do that. After when you do all of this process, go on your TikTok and just send us some video to save your streak. But if you lost a streak a couple days before, there is a second method to do. For the second method, you need to open TikTok app on your device and make sure you are logged into the correct account you want to get back streak. After that, go on your profile by tapping on little man icon in bottom right corner of the screen. On this menu, you can see 3 horizontal lines in top right corner of the screen on which you need to click. That will show you a pop-up menu, where is 5 different options, and you need to click on last one settings and privacy. Now on the settings menu go to scroll all the way down until you come on support and about section. And on that section, go to click on report a problem. On this method to recover TikTok streak, we are communicate with TikTok community and tell them that we are lost our streak because we are go on vacation a couple of days. Next, go to scroll all the way down until you see Chat with Us option and go to click on it. Now TikTok asks you what is your problem, and you need to write to TikTok message like this. Hello TikTok, I'm lost my TikTok streak because I go on vacation yesterday. On that vacation I doesn't have stable internet connection, and because of that I'm lost my TikTok streak with person you lost steak. Can you please recover my TikTok streak? Thanks. And for last, wait a couple of hours to TikTok see you message, and then you will get back streak on TikTok. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.